Hey Amazon shoppers, this is a really quick view of these 3D printed 12 action figures that I got recently on Amazon. I just want to quickly show you what's inside of this bag. I also want to show you these action figures used in like different scenes, so you can kind of see how creative you can get with these action figures. And yeah, just have a chat about them. So with everything outside of the bag, this is what all the action figures look like. They're all sorts of different colors. This is what they just look like. They're all also very nicely put together. These are 3D printed. They feel and look really, really nice. I like that they're all in their individual bags. They also have like an assortment of weapons in here, like swords, brass knuckles, katanas, guns. They get all sorts of different cool things. I'm pretty sure they all have select different types of weapons in them. And then you also have this little baggie where there's shields, bigger swords, bigger guns. There's like, I don't even know, like 30 different weapons in here. So you can get really creative with what you want to do. Also, in case any of the pieces do fall off, like for this one, for example, the head doesn't look like it's fully attached. It just shows you basically, in case any of the pieces fall off, how to attach each and every piece. And now I'm going to very quickly show you what these pieces look like in different scenes. So as you can see on screen right now, you can definitely get really, really creative with the different scenes. I mean, the amount of detail put into these action figures is absolutely amazing. The amount of weapons that you can put in, you can even use stuff in your environment, like cups or whatever, to like, create like barricades. I mean, you can get really, really creative with these action figures. These action figures are also really great to just have on your desk. So like, once you have them in a certain stance, you can just keep it there, leave it on your desk. It's a very nice little desk accessory. But man, if I was like if I was a kid and I had these for the first time, like, these would be absolutely amazing. The amount of different movements you can make with it. I mean, they all got like individual joints, so you can kind of just keep them stationary. You can create your own stories. You can do a lot of really creative things with these action figures. So, I mean, if you're in the market for action figures for yourself, or somebody that would really, really like these, I mean, there's a lot of creative things you can do with it. I really like the amount of weapons that it has. I mean, the actual detail. There are different packs with these action figures. You don't have to just get different sort of colors like the ones I have here. You can get like full packs where it's like red versus blue. You can kind of like set up wars or like stories. You can get really creative and you can play pretend with all of them. And it's just a really, really unique sort of way to, just be creative with the toys that you have. So yeah, that's really my full review of these 360 3D printed action figures that I got recently on Amazon. Again, if you're in the market for these action figures, I highly recommend picking these up. They were super fun to actually make this little scene right here. And yeah, you can just get really, really creative with these different action figures. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.